If your client is paying $4,500 per month for someone to just pick up the calls and fill out a form, then you need to show them this. Let me walk you through what most businesses are actually paying for. Phone rings, receptionist picks up, she writes down the caller's information on a notepad, then she enters it into a CRM, then she sends a confirmation email, then she files the intake paperwork. That entire process for one call takes 12 to 15 minutes. And that person costs $4,500 per month, plus benefits, plus sick days, plus the 2 weeks they're not in office every single year. Here's what the system does instead. Call comes in, an AI voice agent handles the full conversation. It asks every intake question in the right order, at the right pace. The answers populate the CRM automatically. A confirmation goes out the moment the call ends. Any required documents are generated. The follow-up is already scheduled. The whole intake is complete before your receptionist would have even put the pen to the paper. Cost a fraction of $4,500 per month. Available 24 hours a day, handles multiple calls simultaneously, never has a day off. Think about how your agency presents this. You're not walking into a client meeting and saying, let's just cut staff. You're walking in with a comparison. Here's what you're spending, here's what the system costs, and here's what you get in return. Agencies that can show this close deals on the first call, and FlowView builds the system behind it. Comment replace, and I'll send you more on how this system is deployed.